Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the UGreen USB 3.0 2 gigabit Ethernet network adapter. So this adapter I got it on Amazon, and the main reason I got it is because it is USB 3.0 and it is gigabit, of course. My previous Ethernet USB adapter is only 100 megabits per second, so this is gigabit, which is an upgrade for my PC. It is excellent to add it as a secondary network card, or for example, they say it should work with the Nintendo Switch. I don't know because I don't own a Nintendo Switch yet, but they say it works. So if you have any other portable systems and other home consoles, it may be work. However, my main purpose of this cable is to use it with my computer, so it will of course work because this is USB, and Windows recognize this adapter very well and they work really well, so I got it so I can use it in my computer. And let's take a look at the box. Here is the back of the box. Let's see, has an introduction over here, specification over here, yeah, sides. Right, so let's open it. So first we have to take off this wrap that it has. Alright, so now we push the box to the side so we can take off the cover. And now inside here it should be the cable. So let's see the box and let's open it, and here it is. So the first thing we will notice is the cable. This is the cable, the adapter. At this end we have the USB 3.0 cable. And at this other end we have the Ethernet side, the Ethernet side. So here we connect the LAN cable. It comes wrapped with this. Let's take it off. There we go. So you can see that it has the brand name over here, UGreen, and the same on the USB cable. It says UGreen here too. So here we have the cable. Continuing with the unboxing, here we have a CD, the CD with the drivers. It says over here, there you go, AX1000M. This means that it is using an chipset from, I forgot the name, but the people who make the chipset for this cable are really good. So yeah, that's the driver CD. And last, here we have the instruction manual for the adapter. Of course we will not need this instruction because usually this cable, it is just plug and play, so you just connect it to your computer, then you connect the LAN cable, and then you're ready to go. There shall not be any need for drivers. Again, it should be plug and play, connected to the USB 3.0 port or USB 2.0 port. It should be backward compatible. And here you connect the Ethernet cable. So to finish this unboxing video, let's see the complete contents of this package. So wait a second, let me close this. Alright, so to conclude this unboxing video, it came with the Ethernet USB cable, the CD, and a manual. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you did, please like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.